Hi. They say a fortunate few witness history being made, and even fewer make it to that hallowed list of those shaping it. Yes, you are amongst those elite few who are witnessing the new avatar of the longest and the largest selling laser printers in recent history, the HP LaserJet Tank 1005 and the HP LaserJet Tank 1020. I'm Joydeep, HPS Laser Lead, and today have the privilege of discovering these heroes together with you all. So what has separated these two stalwarts from the rest of the market? I think it is their time-tested virtues of strength, efficiency, and unbeatable performance. Damdar, lagatar, asardar, as the market lingo goes. It is these same virtues flowing through the veins of these latest avatars, that is, the LaserJet Tank 1005 and the LaserJet Tank 1020. Let me explain how. Let's begin by admiring the sleek form factor. Packing in the same strength and efficiency of its predecessors, but shaving off a cool 19% of the previous design. It is compact and ergonomic in keeping with these times of home offices, work from home trends, and smart offices. Typical of where I'm standing today. It's not just the contours that impress. Believe me, what's under the hood is even more compelling. Since the evolution has morphed them into LaserJet Tank format, the first benefit we realize is huge cost efficiencies. The tank contains a storehouse of 5x the amount of original HP toner as compared to the older models, and they're packed in right at the start, therefore ensuring an inbox yield of up to 5,000 pages of original HP legendary quality laser prints. And of course, this 5,000 is calibrated as per the set ISO coverage norms. This is something that all of you know. Next up is the easy flow toner mechanism with a revolutionary toner pouch or a toner reload kit, as we call them, to enable mess-free reload in a mere 15 seconds. 15 seconds, that's right, that's the new benchmark. Look at the innovative design. A simple squeezy pouch, easy to store and even easier to dispense, just like squeezing a toothpaste tube maybe. The TRKs are so amazingly priced, and for both configurations, that is the 5,000 pages and the